Hello guys. So this will be a short video about how you will do your quizzes. So you can either find the quiz in the current module. So for example, we're in week one, so you have the quiz one here. And for now, it's locked because I set it to be unlocked on the noon on Friday. And I think I will attempt to do that every week. So every quiz for that week will be published and in noon. Okay. So for now, you can uh, find a quiz either in the module or you can go to assignment and you can see that there is a quiz one here. Okay. I would prefer that you guys can use show by type and there will be two different columns here. So there will be a quiz and submission, I will tell you guys the difference just now. So for now, since the quiz one is not open yet, let's do the test quiz, which you can find it here, or you can find it in the homepage below the course information here, test quiz. So I encourage you to try this before you do the quiz one, okay? So let us say I do the test quiz, it's already open. So you have 20 minutes to complete each quiz. Before I say 15 minutes, but let's do 20 minutes just for the sake of your completion. And after 20 minutes, the quiz page will just close up. And I will specify how many problems in the quiz. In this case, there are two problems. And how this will proceed is that after 20 minutes of looking at the problems and doing the problems, then this page will just close up. You don't have to do anything about this page. And how do you submit it? You can either click the task quiz submission here, which will direct you to the test quiz submission, and therefore you have a Gradescope link, or you can go to again assignment and test quiz submission here. Of course, I set up a link there, so you can just click the link. And now, how do you submit the quiz? So let's first go back to how the quiz looks like. Okay, so you have a quiz one, test quiz here, right? So now let's take the quiz. So in general, it will look like this. There will be instruction above here. And for example, now you have quiz one, what's your name? Quiz two, what's your ID? And now there are 0 points. It's not a graded quiz. And you don't have to submit quiz. You don't have to do anything about this page. Just leave it there. And you can finish your quiz on either a paper or iPad anyway. After doing that quiz, after this 20-minute pass, you can submit the quiz. Of course, you can submit it early. I'm fine with that. So after all, you go to the task quiz submission, which I will put quiz one submission, quiz two submission there for future references. So now you just go there, and you should be in this Gradescope page. You click on the Math 2263. Then in this case, there will be quiz one. I already built up two submissions. You should click on task quiz submission. And of course, for quiz one, just click on quiz one. So go to task quiz, and then you can see you can upload submissions here. Okay. So if you see my mouse here, you see that upload submission, and just upload whatever you have. Select your PDF file. Okay. So I would prefer you guys to make your quiz submission to be PDF. That is more preferable. So if you're doing an iPad writing, export it as a PDF file. If you're taking a picture of your um, paper, I think it's okay to upload JPG. Oh, sorry, it says it's submission PDF. So you can um, take it as a JPG, and I think you can transform it in PDF by some online tool. And of course, I have used some time to do that. So let's go back to the assignment. You can see that in the instruction, I gave you 15 minutes to do that. So let's go through the quiz submission again. Between tomorrow, which is Friday noon, all the way to Wednesday, which is in this case January 28th, 11:59, which is midnight. So from tomorrow noon to next Wednesday midnight, all of those time you can pick a an hour of interval, and within that an hour of interval, you click on your quiz one, you have 15 minutes to see the sorry, you have 20 minutes to see the problems and do the problems. And then this page will just collapse and you can go to the submission page and upload your um, quiz sheet as a PDF file to Gradescope. Okay. And you will have 15 minutes to do that. So I think it will be sufficient. But let me know if you have any other questions. So those will be all. Another thing to note here is that you're allowed to use a scientific calculator. So in case you don't have one, please try to get it before next Wednesday. I think you can get those through the school bookstore. Okay. And if you have any question about either getting a scientific calculator, using Grayscope or using this type of quiz system, please let me know. I will upload this video just now. Thank you guys.